What if someone steals your personal information while you are using internet? It can be dangerous for you and for your personal life. But friends, now there is no need to be panic. Today we will learn and we will try to know how we can save our phone and other devices whenever we are browsing on internet. Whenever we browse anything, there are lots of ads shows on internet. Sometimes that ads are secure or not. That becomes very difficult to identify. If you want to get rid from this ad, from your phone, from your other devices as well, I will tell you a very easy way. With the help of that, you can save your personal data whenever you browse anything over the internet. A lots of ad shows which are not much useful for us. To avoid these ads, you have to go to the phone setting. After that, you will see in the right top corner search option, search setting. There you have type DNS. Once you type DNS, now the option of select private DNS mode will be shown. Tap on that. Now go to the private DNS and choose private DNS provider host name and type there dns.adguard.com. After type all this, click on save and exit from this. Once you've done all these settings, thereafter, whenever you browse anything on your computer or internet, you will not find any kind of ads. By doing so, you can block these unnecessary ads which can be harmful for you, and somebody easily can steal your data and personal information. Right? Finally, if you like this video, hit the subscribe and bell icon. Turn on the notification button for more videos updates. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.